Got a 2022 or Hemi 6.4 wagon Ram. Really beautiful truck. We done straight pipes on it earlier. He came back. He didn't like the sound too much. He wanted it changed up, so we changed it up for him. Let him watch some more videos. I got factory converter there and there. Then it wires into a single 3.5 inch. Then what we did is added a FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Part number 15430 right there. There'll be a link in the description. It is the longer one, it's not the S. You get a little bit more tone. And then 3-inch pipe. Did a resonator delete on it also. And ran a 5-inch black tip out the back. Right there to clean up the sound and give it a better looking presence, you would say. Right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Ram Power Wagon 6.4 Hemi. Go ahead. Your sound decibels. 114. Let it idle. Now it sounds like a truck. Yeah, I needed that. You're right. You got the ear, man. And Power Wagon 6.4 Beast. Let you guys hear on the inside. Now, guys, he has the American flag on top. That's so cool. That's in the camera. That's awesome. Camera in camera. Ram Hemi FLOWMASTER Outlaw 5-inch black tip. No more straight pipe. We did a straight pipe before. He felt like it wasn't enough, so we added the Outlaw. Now it sounds a lot better. Sounds really nice.